Course announcements are one of the easiest ways to maintain instructor presence and keep students engaged. But writing announcements every week can take time. In this video, we'll look at how Microsoft Copilot can help you quickly draft course announcements that you can then personalize and publish in your course. Copilot works best as a drafting partner. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can use a simple prompt to generate a first draft in seconds. Whether you're creating a weekly overview, an assignment reminder, or an encouragement message, Copilot can get you started faster. Let's look at an example. Suppose you're teaching an online course and want to remind students about an upcoming discussion assignment. You might enter a prompt like, "Draft a friendly course announcement for students in an online course. Remind them that week 4 discussion post is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Encourage participation, keep the message under 150 words, and use supportive tone." Copilot will generate a draft announcement based on the information you provide. The more context you give, such as assignment details, course name, audience, or desired tone, the more useful the draft will be. You don't have to accept the first draft. You can continue the conversation with prompts such as, "Make the tone more conversational," "Add a study tip for this week's topic," or "Shorten this announcement to 2 paragraphs. These follow-up prompts will help you tailor the message to match your teaching style and the needs of your students. Before sharing an AI-generated announcement, always review it carefully. Verify dates, deadlines, instructions, and links. Add your own voice and course-specific details to make the communication more personal. As a reminder, follow PCC's AI use guidelines and avoid entering sensitive or identifiable student information into AI tools. Microsoft Copilot can help reduce the time spent drafting routine course communications, allowing you to focus more on teaching and supporting your students. Start with a clear prompt, refine the response as needed, and always review before publishing. Thanks for watching.